Dow Jones daily chart heavy requests. Traders want to know what's really happening here. Well, I can tell you, you're testing the 50-day. Out of all of the indexes, it still remains the best technically. We're not breaking below the 100 or the 150 here. The 200 is down here. We see more downside to the Dow Jones correction. Once again, traders, we told everybody on the website under the indexes, go look, turbooptiontrading.com. You have a wealth of information to make trading profits. You have a trading room. You have every tool in the world that you need to advance yourself. Why are you waiting? Let's get to know each other. Let's develop the great relationship that we can have together. I know that that can start now. That's in your ballpark. Just click on the link, sign up for the free 5-day trial. Let's have a lot of fun and let's make some money. I know you could use a really good friend. I'm that guy. More downside in the Dow.